Okay guys, get ready to be blown away. I also posted a short version of this video, but I used some sandpaper to sand those ancient 3-year-old plus Vapor Glove soles. As you can see, they look much better. This is the right one. It looks much better than the left one. This is just because of the sanding, believe it or not. And I will now show you the difference in traction. Now, this rubber is solid. There is nothing. There is no traction here. It's completely frozen by all those years of exposure into temperatures. And this is the same thing. But look, unsanded pair. And here we have a brand new pair, right? As you can see, barely anywhere. Those have been used very little. So, unsanded pair. Look at the traction, 0. There is no, look at this, same pressure, nothing. Same pressure, sanded pair. Look. Oh yes. Now this is insane to me. I did not expect this kind of result, but look. This is huge difference. And here is the crazy part. This is the newer pair. As you can see, lugs are intact. You can see the grooves on the lugs. Again, good traction, yes, but it actually squeaks and slips a bit compared to the sanded pair. That's not even, look at this, it doesn't even care. But this, yes, very good traction, but you have to understand, this is like a few months old, and this is 3+ years with no lugs, and it actually grips better just because I sanded the upper part of the sole. This to me is an extreme elevation. And of course the left one, look at this. So yeah guys, sand your soles. I also tried this on my new Frit tenders. Huge difference once again. I'm gonna be doing this all the time. And don't worry about the lugs, they will be fine. As you can see, even completely worn down lugs are fine. You just take out the upper level of the rubber that is super dry and doesn't grip. That's all you're doing.